Hi, this is Kelly. Today's video on the K4L Drum Cooker is all about skirt steaks. Skirt steaks, we want to cook them really hot, really fast. They're really thin, so we're going to get some high heat and we want to get them really close to that fire. So let's show you how we're going to set up and do these skirt steaks in our K4L Drum Cooker. So here we go. One of the other advantages with our K4L Drum Cooker is with the Cyclone Flame Diffuser. Normally we would put it in this way, but today we're going to set the charcoal basket on top of it. So we're going to set it in upside down with the handle down on the top pegs, and then our other charcoal basket with charcoal in it, you'll see here in a little bit. We're just going to set right there on top of it. Then the grate. So now we've got that fire really good and close to where we want to do those skirt steaks on. It's going to get us some good char on there, get them cooked really good and fast because they're really thin. So that's how we're going to get that char on there without overcooking them. And we're back. We've got our charcoal lit, pretty well burned down. It's looking good. You got all of that good white ash, that good hot cherry red underneath. It's just a nice, really hot fire just to be doing skirt steaks. So here we go. Got our skirt steaks going on. That's all I've got 5 pieces. That's all we're going to do to start with. Earlier we got those seasoned with Kelly's jalapeno steak burger and fajita dust. Goes really well on this stuff. So what we're going to do is run these for a couple minutes on each side, and that should be about all we need on them. We will kind of run them here and see what they're going to do. Alright, we've been about 2.5 minutes. Let's see what we got. Yeah, there we are. There we are. We got some nice char, some good brown. I wouldn't mind a little bit more, but we're not going to complain too much. I think. There we go. That one's looking good too. We'll leave the lid open for a little bit on this one. Let that fire breathe just a little bit more. Sometimes I do close the lid. That does help prevent a little flame ups with what little fat you've got in those skirt steaks. Otherwise, just run with the exhaust wide open, the intakes wide open, and let that fire rip. Alright, we've been about another 2.5 minutes. Let's see what we got. Not quite. It's alright. That one's looking nice though. Not quite what we're wanting on that one. Let's set that over there. Let's just give them a little bit more. There we go. Yep. Yep, there we go. That's what we're looking for. And those should be just about right temperature-wise. Let's stick a thermal pin in there and find out. These are really hard to temp. They're so thin. Actually, that one's looking good. I like these about 140 or so. Just kind of depends on who you talk to. So those are going back on some foil. There. We got 2 more to throw down. Go right there with it. 1 more. That one's pretty thin, so that's not going to take much more. They'll look a lot better after they set and rest. Let them rest a good hour before you go to slicing them. Let them start cooling back down a little bit, and you'll be a lot happier with them. Okay. It's going to go in the foil. There we go. That one's done. It's going to go in the foil. With those are done, we're going to shut our air vents, our air intakes, close the lid, shut the exhaust up. Now, one more thing. See, we got that juice. They're steaming good. With all that heat, tends to neutralize some of your spices. So I'm going to hit these just a little bit with some more of Kelly's jalapeno steak burger and fajita. Again, now seal those up good. Well, wrap them. Just let those sit on the counter for at least an hour before we come back in and try to slice them for supper. We'll see you then. And we are back. Our skirt steak has actually sit for about an hour and a half now. It's cooled off about room temp, maybe a little bit more. But look at all that nice juice we got in there. It's that good, flavorful stuff. So let's go ahead and get that stuff sliced up. There we go. Get that stuff sliced across grain. Slice that as thin as you can get it. There we are. Now I'm going to let those get down in that with that juice. Can you see where the grains run? They run this way. So we are going to want to slice across the grain going the other way. So we end up with little short meat fibers. It makes it a whole lot easier to chew. go. Skirt steak on the K4L Drum Cooker. Looking really good. There you go. Yep. So until next time, see ya.